Kape po tayo guys. Yan. Palaman itlog guys. Yan guys, so kain tayo. Breakfast. Good morning. Tasty ang aking almusal guys. Yan, palaman natin ang itlog guys. And coffee. Coffee is life. Thank you for watching my video. Ayan, busy pang aking anak. Mamaya pa siya mag-almusal. Very hot. Kain po tayo guys. Ayan, nag-aalmusal pa lang ako ng tinapay. Ayan guys. Breakfast. Coffee. Kape tayo guys. Thank you for watching my video. Ayan, short video lang ako guys. Kape muna ako guys. Thank you so much. Ayan ang aking breakfast. Bye bye muna. See you next video. Thank you for watching. Kain tayo. Ayan. Breakfast muna tayo. Bye.